Well, you're planning your wedding, and you must be wondering, like, what in the world am I doing in the middle of absolutely nowhere? Well, first of all, congratulations, but you probably feel exactly how I am right now. Kind of lost, wondering what in the world am I going to do first when I have to plan my wedding? But guess what? Come here for just a second. I'm going to teach you and show you and really walk you through the stages of that. You don't have to feel alone. I'm here to guide you. I'm here to tell you that putting together a wedding is like putting together a puzzle. There are many pieces of a puzzle. That could be, of course, the fashion, the menu, the lighting, the design, the picking of your bridal party. All of these details, all of these puzzles carefully have to get put together. And when you put the puzzle together, trust me, you're going to feel amazing. So as I teach you all of the things that you need to know, we're going to have fun. I'm going to teach you there's no wrong or right. It's all simply about finding out who you are as a couple and how you can turn your wedding into something unique. Because after all, your wedding is who you are, and you want your guests that come to your celebration to walk away knowing that you have done something really remarkable. You have turned it into a very customized, personalized celebration. But we'll do it together. I promise you, you will never feel like this, because I have to tell you, being up on this mountain alone is lonely. You're gonna have fun, we're gonna do this together, so come with me, take this journey, and learn how to create a wedding that truly is spectacular, that truly represents you. Budget's not the important part. It's what's up here and in here that brings you a spectacular wedding. So come with me.